Good morning, world history. Today is Thursday, October 1st, and today is the first day of Hispanic Heritage Month, as well as National Cookie Month. So, fun facts for today. We are going to start today with a Nearpod activity to review for your quiz tomorrow on those terms from Memorize that you had worked on last week. So the first thing you're going to see is this 10-1 warm-up Nearpod. You're actually going to be referring to this throughout today's class. I have linked this Nearpod as well on your Battle of Thermopylae response, so you can refer to it later. This is a self-paced Nearpod, so you shouldn't have to worry about having to interact with me or with other students. So the first thing you're going to do is what is called time to climb, which is a pretty similar activity to what's in Memorize. Then I've included a link to that Memorize so that you can spend a little bit of time reviewing if you wish, if you didn't do as well as you would have hoped on the time to climb activity. I think that should be telling for you in what terms you need to take a second look at. And then you're going to have these 4 or 5 slides that walk you through how exactly to compose your Battle of Thermopylae response. There is audio on each slide where I explain to you how to go through this step by step. So please take a look at this. The first slide tells you what the race method is, just a little bit of recap from when we did that last week. And so, as you'll recall, the central historical question that we are trying to answer is how many Persian soldiers there were at the Battle of Thermopylae. Please choose one of these 4 choices from the 4 documents that we looked at over the past several days. So you are going to go with either 2,317,610, 10,000, between 210 to 250,000, or 300,000 to 350,000. I have provided a template for you. All you need to do is fill in the blanks or the parts that say explain in your own words, explain your reasoning for whether or not you think a source is trustworthy. And again, there is audio here where I walk you through how to go through this template. Like I said in class yesterday, on top of providing me with an argument as to why you think your opinion is correct, you're also going to explain to me why you think another document is incorrect. So that is, again, a counter argument. So you are then going to pick a different document that you do not agree with and say document, what have you, one of the other 3 you didn't go with, states that there were blank amount of soldiers at the Battle of Thermopylae. And again, you have that cheat sheet on the slide previous. Then you are going to explain or expand and tell me why you think that is not a trustworthy source. Audio here that walks you through it. And this final slide is a template of what your response should look like when it's all put together. Remember, I want you to write at least 1 paragraph, which for me is at least 5 sentences, more if you wish, but 5 is the minimum. Also, if you feel that you want to go with your own structure, that is fine, just as long as you have all of the required elements. On the Battle of Thermopylae response assignment, again, I have included the link to that Nearpod if you happen to close out of it and need to find it again. You are going to write your response on this Google document. And you're going to write it in this box with the dashed lines. And the rubric that I'm going to use to grade you is underneath here. I also have included for you the documents that we looked at the past several days, so they are there for your reference. You are also going to want to refer to your classwork from Tuesday and yesterday. So definitely take a look at this chart that we completed over the past few days to help guide your response. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm available through Remind, email, and I'm also happy to set up a Google Meet with you if you would like to chat more one-on-one. See you tomorrow on World History. I will have another video for you tomorrow, and I will see you live on Zoom. Don't forget Zoom now, on Monday. Have a wonderful day.